Good morning, we are Lisette, Telma, Carolina, and Melissa, and we are going to talk about the digestive system.
The digestive system is a group of organs working together to convert food into energy and basic nutrients to feed the entire body.
The types of digestion occurring in the process are the mechanical or physical, which breaks food into smaller pieces, and chemical, which enzymes break down a large molecule for absorption.
Now we are going to describe each organ and their function in order of process.
First comes the mouth. The mouth uses mechanical digestion to rip food and with the teeth, and the chemical digestion to change the starch to discaries with salivary amylase.
Then goes the pharynx, where the entrance of the digestive and respiratory tract is located.
The esophagus is a muscular tube which carries food and liquids from the throat to the stomach for digestion after it has been chemically softened in the mouth.
The stomach is the main food storage tank of the body. The stomach also secretes a mixture of acid, mucus, and digestive enzymes that help to digest and sanitize our food while it is being stored.
There are different accessory organs, like teeth, tongue, and salivary glands. But there are also the liver, which perform many essential functions and relate to digestion, metabolism, immunity, and the storage of nutrients within the body. These functions make the liver a vital organ without which the tissues of the body will quickly die from the lack of energy and nutrients. The gallbladder, which is a small storage organ located in the inferior and posterior of the liver. The gallbladder holds the bile produced in the liver until it is needed for digesting fatty foods in the duodenum of the small intestine. The pancreas, which is the glandular organ in the upper abdomen, but really it serves as two glands in one, a digestive excreting gland and the hormone-producing endocrine gland.
Then it goes the small intestine. It loops back and forth upon itself so much so that it can fit into the abdominal space it occupies, that is divided into three sections. The duodenum, a receiving area for chemicals and partially digested food from the stomach, the jejunum, where most of the nutrients are absorbed into the blood, and the ileum, where the remaining nutrients are absorbed before moving into the large intestine. The muscles, which encircle this tube, constrict about 7 to 12 times a minute to move the food back and forth, to churn it, knead it, and to mix it with gastric juices. The small intestine also makes waves that move the food forward, but these are usually weak and infrequent to allow the food to stay in one place until the nutrients can be absorbed.
The large intestine takes care of absorbing any water left in the food that hasn't been digested yet, and then passing any unusual waste from the body. It is one of the final portions of the digestive system. The large intestine includes the anal canal, rectum, colon, and cecum. The large intestine doesn't break down food, since the process of digestive system have already occurred, but it does absorb important vitamins such as vitamin K and vitamin 12. It also helps compact and store feces into the rectum, where it will remain until it's sent through the anus.
The rectum is a short, muscular tube that forms the lowest portion of the large intestine and connects it to the anus. Feces collects here until pressure on the rectal walls causes nerve impulses to pass to the brain, which then sends messages to the voluntary muscles in the anus to relax, permitting expulsion.
Finally, we have the anus, which is the canal at the end of the digestive tract through which feces is expelled.
And this was the complete process of the digestive system. Thank you for listening.